Welcome back, Crammers, to question 15. Kim spends $N. Of this, she spends 40% on food, one fourth on clothes, and the rest on petrol, being P dollars on petrol. Work out the ratio of P to N in the form A to B, where A to B are integers. Give your answer in its simplest form. So, first off, we can see of the total amount N, she spends 40% on food, one fourth on clothes, and P. Now, when trying to find the total value of something, it will always be 100%. And since we're trying to find n is simply 100%. So we can write here is equal to 100%. But p is not given. We can actually rewrite this to 40%. One fourth is 25%. We can write that as is 25% plus p is equal to 100. And we can actually bring these values to the other side, find out what p is. So P is equal to 100. 25 to the other side is minus 25. And 40 to the other side is minus 40. That means P is equal to 35%. Now that we have P, and now that we have N, we can actually write the ratio P to N is 35 to 100. But we can actually simplify this even further. Notice how 35 and 100 are both divisible by 5. We can divide by 5 and divide by 5. 35 divided by 5 is simply 7. And 100 divided by 5 is 20. Now, we could go further. We can simplify this further, but it's asking for an integer value. So we do not go any further, and this is actually our final answer. So our final answer is 7 is to 20. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.